Hey guys, my name is Orman and today I'm going to deck my new bike, and today is going to be like a review slash like tutorial. So we're going to show you how the bike works and how is it good, which it is. So we're just going to jump right into it. Let's go. And my dad is also behind the camera.
Hey guys.
And yeah, so we're just going to be going to the shop. And
They're open at 11 o'clock, so,
yeah, so
we are so excited.
and I just started my online store. So yeah, I know a lot of people have to do online store because of the virus, but
So-
it's not so bad actually.
Yeah, stay
Fun.
home.
Stay
and-
home, stay safe, and keep distance to coronavirus 6 feet.
Yeah,
And yeah, so
that's our car.
and we're going to see at the end. It says that it goes 25 miles per hour. So we're just gonna see if that's true or not. So let's jump right into it. Bye! Bye bye! Hey guys, and now we're here, as you see. And we're here, and great stuff to go inside. And this is a great place for bikes. I totally recommend it.
So you got a lot of bikes here,
Yes, they have a lot. They have a great variety.
but you need a mask are required to enter in the store. So be careful, wear the mask.
This is my bro.
Oh, hey, how are you?
So yeah. I'm showing my bike. Come over here. Next over here, I'll show you my bike. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, how are you guys?
And this is my bike.
Oh, there's
It's so nice. It goes so fast.
it's going.
50 miles per hour. 25 miles per hour. It's the best bike you can get. It's so fast. It's hard to ride apparently. So yes, this is my bike.
This is
Not my bike.
good ones. It's
This is
joking.
not my bike.
This is not your bike?
Yup.
Okay.
My bike is coming.
Oh. Yes. Yes, sir.
So my bike is like this one actually. It's from Trek's brand.
They're gonna bring that?
Yeah, they're about to. So we're also gonna like put out a bell and then
There's all section for the bikes. So you get everything in the store. Clothes, shoes.
and now it is ready. And this is our real bike. And I also got my friend and he'll help us explain the bike and how it works. Because I don't really know how it works.
There's
My bike.
wow.
And let me tell you what the stuff I know. It has 21 gears. And yeah.
He's gonna explain everything. So
Yeah.
hey,
this
how are you,
is the-
sir?
This is the, I'm doing good. This is the Trek Marlin 5. So this is a cross-country mountain bike. So it is actually, so it's got 3 cogs in the front. So let me turn the bike around to show you. So it's got 3 on the front, 8 in the back. Yeah, so essentially how this bike works, just gearing wise. So it has these little paddles right here. So on the right side, you can see the numbers right here. You press it in, that makes it easier to pedal.
Okay.
Pull it back, that makes it harder to pedal.
Okay.
And on this side, the opposite side, yeah. And on the opposite side, it's actually, or it's on the other side, it's the opposite. So push that in, makes it harder. Pull that in, makes it easier. Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, so right side works the back of the back derailleur and the back brakes. The left side works front derailleur, front brakes.
So there are like 21 gears, right?
Yeah, there's 21. Yeah.
How do you get to all of them?
Pardon me?
Like how do you get to the gears?
How do?
I want to go to the 21st.
Oh, you want to go to the 21st?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you would want to do is you would want to pull this in. So make that go up to 7. Make sure whenever you are shifting to actually doing it while you're to do it while you're pedaling. So I'm going to put this back to where it was before, after I'm done showing, and then go up to there. So
if you do all the way to 21, then makes it harder.
that is the hardest. You will have to put in the most amount of effort to pedal.
Oh.
Yeah. So.
Okay.
So.
And like it doesn't have any like shortage or something?
Pardon me.
Any shocks or something?
Shocks?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it comes with a suspension fork. I believe it's 110 millimeters of travel. Yeah, so.
How fast it goes?
How fast? I mean, it's all up to him. It's
Like the fastest you can go on.
I would say the fastest you can go on. It depends what you're riding on, but I would say this could probably go up to 20.
Okay.
25 miles per hour?
Maybe. It depends on you.
How fast? So let's go.
Yeah.
Take a test drive.
Yeah. Take it for a spin. You can have him go out over here.
Sure.
So, hop on the bike over here. And then up there. And then you're all set.
Okay.
Have fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And 3, 2, 1, here we go. Okay.
Thank you. We'll back, sir.
You?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it feels so weird. But it feels so easy. It feels like there's no effort at all. It feels like go.
Stop on stop sign, okay?
Okay. And turn that.
Go, 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 go.
It feels very good. It feels amazing. Feels like to say about this bike. And the stuff I need to say about this bike is when I was going downhill, it didn't feel like I was in paddling or nothing. It felt like controllable and it didn't feel out of control. It felt like it's all it feels like I'm not even pedaling. And when I was driving uphill, it was like nothing's happening. It's just riding up.
So it's a very easy to ride on this bike.
Pretty much just a dirt
So
bike.
this is a
It's like a dirt bike. Dirt bike
this
with
is
paddles.
like a just a dirt bike.
With paddles.
Pedals, and
it's amazing bike. I love
it's
it.
a 2021 model.
Yes, and 2021 is not even here. So.
Yeah. You see, it's a very cool, nice bike.
Yeah. And so,
Let's go to the store.
okay. Oh yeah. Okay, I can't wait to ride this again and hop it on. Go. Stop. It feels a little bit getting used to on the bike since it's new, but it feels like it won't take as long as another bike. It's very nice. And the color. It comes in a lot of colors, but this is the major.
Okay.
So yeah, that's
So let's go inside the store and see. Inside the store.
And one more thing, the brake plates are made from stock instantly. And it's not actually so heavy.
Okay. We can from other side.
I'm not riding this. I just put it in first gear and it felt even better.
Okay.
These are the boxes they have, and these are all their bikes. And they have not opened the boxes because it's stolen. And they do they do have pictures online their website so you can see. And that's why there's so many boxes and
They have a lot of electric cycles.
they have electric too. And
Yeah, very good range.
yes, and the warranty is very nice. And they have a lot of nice riders and the carriers.
For the kids.
And this one actually becomes a staller too.
Oh. You can make a staller too.
And these are all the boxes they have with the bikes. That's why it took my bike a bit time to that because they have to assemble it.
Okay.
And yeah, these are all of their bikes. There's so many. And there are some bikes up there that people already bought. And yeah, and they also have a repair shop which they repair bikes. And these are brand new, so it's like nothing ever happened to them. And that is right over here, the repair shop. And you can also have some, other stuff you need, like the pipes, the plates, pretty much everything. The gears, everything. And you can also get these other, rubber mounts to hold it. These are the ones that are on mine, but mine are not clear.
Do you mind?
And this is a repair shop. And as you see, there's such nice stuff. You can see the people are repairing. There are a lot of customers, and I totally recommend this place. So get a bike or repair it is the best place to get a bike, and it works for a really, really, really long time. And they also have some additional stuff like helmets, gloves. They even have sunglasses, the rubbers you can attach. So they pretty much have everything you need.
Okay.
Even they have boots and stuff. So
Okay, let's go. Get your bike.
and they also have like crackers and stuff too. One is toolless. सेकंड चैनल
Okay, go.
सेकंड चल जा ridden the bike again, and I have put in a few test runs, and it would have been a gear change to that used to it, but it's
We put the new bell.
yeah.
Here we go.
The other one wasn't so good, so
Okay.
this is a Chinese teapot,
Okay. Yeah.
and it's a very nice bike. And you see without a bottle, and yeah, I'm just gonna go for the round, and yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like my videos, like and subscribe. Thanks for subscribing, everyone, and hit the notification bell.
Hope you like this video.
Hope you like this video, and yeah,
And
Bye.
we recommend this bike
yeah,
to everyone.
yeah.
Let's
Best
go.
bike you can get.
Okay, let's go take a ride.
Bye, everyone.
Slow. Don't be so excited.
Okay.
Go. Oh, bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Slow.